Okay, what is next? Next, you need to show the price of the product. And every item has different price, so you can set a price for each product. So in here, I can set up the price, but you need to define a space to set the price first. So I set up a price, PRICE. This price is equals to 0 in the beginning. So outside of the switch, I will set up a price, PRICE. This one is initial value equals to 0. So the program will generate a space. This space is called a price and give a dollar sign. And initial value is equals to 0. And when the user choose POK, he will go to this case. And I can set up the price also. PRICE is equals to, for example, this one is 200. So I can set up the price 200. And if I choose the product as beef, the price can be set up in here. Price is equals to 100. And chicken, the price, PRICE, is equals to 50. So after I set up the price according to the switch, I can echo ECHO price, PRICE, in here. This one is the correct price. For example, in the beginning, he will show the initial value is 0. He will set up a value here. And when the customer choose a POK, he will choose POK and set up the price as 200. So the price will set up 200, and break is go to the outside of switch. So he will echo the price equals to 200. Okay, so the logic is like this one. And go back to your program, so we can set up the price. So in the beginning, you need to define the variable price. The initial value is equals to 0, and when the customer set up the POK, the price will change to 200, and beef, the price will set up to 100. And here, chicken, the price will change to 50. Don't forget, every sentence should be ended by the semicolon. And out of switch, this one is the range of the switch. So out of the switch, you can echo price, PRICE, and also show up some message in front of the price. The price is, and this one is a string, this one is a variable. Use dot to concatenate it and give some BR to shift to natural. Okay, so save it, go back to here, refresh. So the chicken price is 50, and go back to choose the pork. The price is 200, and for the beef, the price is 100. Okay, so if you want to have a screenshot, you can use your phone to take it right now. The first thing is to set up the initial value of price. Next step, to set up the price for each item. The end of the things is to show up the price. Okay, so try it. Next step is to let the user to input the number of the product. So let me go back to here. So this one is hw6.php, and we already done the product with the drawdown menu, and number is the number type. So in the last week, we have already know how to make this one, right? So this one is number. An input, this one is also an input, but the type we cannot let the user to type the number directly because sometimes the user will type the character. So in order to control that one, the type should be changed to number, number. And this number, we need to set up the limitation. We cannot let the user to input the minus number. So the minima should be at least 1. Okay? And maxima, how much will be the maxima? 99? 100? Anything. Okay, so maybe 99 is a maxima. And if you want to the user to show up the value, initial is 3. So we can set up the value value equals to 3. So after that, we can get the number field. So go back to our program. And here, number, number. And input, this one is input. The type is number. The name is, we cannot use a number because number is a keyword. So maybe I use a C number as a product number. And set up the minima at least 1 item. And maxima is equals to 99. And the initial value is set up with a 3, okay? So save it and go back to our browser. And don't forget to refresh it. And refresh, we can get the number 3. And you can set up the minima at least 1 item. And the maxima is 99, and if you go up, the 99 will be limited. So yes, okay. So ANN, Taichung, Taiwan, and choose the beef, and number is 10. And okay. So after I press OK, you will go here. You can see the get backpack will add one more attribute called the C number. So I just stop here, and later I will teach you how to get the C number from Sky. Okay, so go back to our programs to add one more input field. So later we can use this one to times with the price. Okay, so try it.